When it's orange, it looks like Mars. And when it's white, it looks like the moon. How's it going, YouTube? Right in front of me, this is the moonlight. The moon represents my heart. Of course, as always, I showcase how it comes. Alright, it's finally not gonna move. How it comes in the box, and it does come in here. Okay, let's move this for now. Just filling this out. It's actually pretty hard. I can't bend this in. I can't feel like it's gonna dent in either, so if it fell off, it's pretty solid, as you can hear there. And then we have the little charging port, and this is supposed to represent the moon. What's on the dark side of the moon? Okay. Oh, it's like a little puzzle piece. Can I put this together? Do I even know how? I just see the holes here, and I'm just gonna stick it on it. It's just like a square. It looks like it, right? Looks like it does. One happy thing that I like, that is USB. Stick it right there, and it's gonna float it up a little bit so you see that's elevated. It's gonna be touch sensitive, so it does have its own battery source. This will be just to charge it up. Right now it's plugged in and it's not working, so it's gonna be charging whatever battery inside, and then it'll become a touch sensitive. Whoa, whoa. If I touch it, it's actually orange. Touch it again, it's white, and it turns off. So it does have an internal battery.
Turning the top lights off.
Now it's orangey. Look at that glow. That just looks so good. Oops, oops. Keep touching the bottom. So that's what it looks like right now. Let's set this back on here so we can see how much glow this has. And then we click on that. A lot more light. And it's not like hard to look at. So, I mean, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be the exact replication of our moon. Look at it. It's a really cool glow. And I want to be able to put this somewhere in the background. And there's the glow right there. Okay, that looks so much cooler. It's a really cool, subtle orange glow. A little bit brighter. Looks like a moon still. By backlighting. I almost feel like I want to hang it. Put a string to it and hang it. Alright, obviously we get it. Touch sensitive. Does have its internal battery. This is going to be another great addition to my office here. Whether you like space stuff or not, I think this is a really cool glow for nighttime. But yeah, there we have it. If you want one for yourself, find the description down below. I think it's this one or that one. So yeah, you already know what to do. Until next time, I will see you guys later.